Make a great choice today with the 2018 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.